Hello guys, so today I will be explaining you about my artificial intelligence topic, that was grammar checker for natural language text, a syntactical processing approach. These are the steps which I followed during completion of this project. First was data collection and acquisition for gathering of a large data set of natural language text, like annotated if the sentence is grammatically correct, where it's like wrong if it's wrong, at what word it's wrong. Then feature extraction, I have to extract all the the features of the corrections of the word. Then model selection, there are three types of model which I can be using in this project. Those are LSTM, that is sequential model, then the transformers model like GPTs, BERT, and grammar transformer, and also the condition random fields, that is CRFs. Then training the data, evaluation, integration, user interface, and documentation and deployment of the project. These are the pseudocodes which I will be using. So this is first pseudocode, or the first approach which I can take is to load my model, then tokenize the my data. Then there will be a definition or a function for grammar checker where it will tokenize the input text. It will find the error, and if the error is found, it will generate the correction and it will return the corrected text. So this is the first part where I need to find out my own dataset and train the model. But the problem here is I was not able to find any large amount of dataset or any correct dataset. The dataset which I was able to find was about spelling mistakes, wrong words, and overall that way. I was not able to find a dataset for grammar corrector. So this approach is which I didn't used forward. But this is the second approach which I used, which was importing Gramformer. So Gramformer is a library, as I told. It's a framework for detecting, highlighting, and correcting grammatical errors in natural language text. It was created by a developer with an collaboration. Gramformer is exposed three separate interfaces to family the algorithms to detect, highlights, correct grammar and errors. So this is the pseudocode for it. Here I will be using the model 1, that is highlighter, which will highlight the errors, and then I have this function where after highlighting the errors it will correct the errors and return the corrected text. So this is the approach I will be using, in which I will be downloading all the requirements. Then I will be importing the transformers like T5s, and I will be giving it the sentence length of 64-bit. Applications, as you know, Gramformer, one of them which I am using is like making my own Grammarly to update, what we can say, follow the grammar correctly to update the wrong grammars in the corrected way. This is the setup and installation where I have set it up one by one mode. So this is the detector model, highlighter model, and corrector model. I have imported all this one by one, and you can see over here key all models are loaded successfully. Then, as I told, we are using only highlighters model only. So this is the model which I imported. Then I gave one of the sentence to correct. So my camera battery dead, which is, it's grammatically long. It should be is over here. So it has written my camera battery is dead. This is what we are gonna do. Then initializing transformer, as I told, we are using one. This was a example, so I used GPU as false, but if we use GPU it will be may very much faster. So this is after importing the model, this is the correction of the model which is over here. So let's do one thing, I can start running it again so you can see it live. So this is the model which it's importing. This is the first or the 0th model. So yeah, it shows the correct model imported. Then this is the trial which one I told you, where a GPU is false. So as you can see, it taking a lot of time. But if I use it with GPU, you can see the correction time will be much faster. Okay, so this is the same sentence. My camera battery are dead, which is grammatically long. It should be my camera battery is dead, which it will be returning over here. So my camera battery is dead. Then these are few of the sentences again, like I like for walks, which is grammatically incorrect. It should be like I like walks. Red world, like world is flat. The world is flat. Red is a color. Red is a color. So it will be so. I wish my computer was run faster, but it should be was running faster. So these are the few of the examples. Then to put it all together, I use Gradio. Gradio is also an open source Python library which helps me creating a GUI, which I can say. It has following like frameworks including TensorFlow, PyTorch, and sklearn. So this is one of the best libraries if I have to make a GUI using my own APIs or my own machine learning models. So we will be importing this over here right now. It works in this following 5 ways. Functional wrapping, so it has an interface classes which we provides inputs. So as you can see, this is the inputs. I have two lines placeholders where I will be entering my sentence. Then interface creation, here I have used that interface creation and we have created an interface. Launching the interface, this is where I have launched the interface, and then interacting with the interface and hot reloading it. So I will be explaining as we go down. This is the model which we'll be using in the Gradio. So I have just defined a function for that. Then this is the inputs, then interface, and when I launch it, so this will be how it's looking. So some like this is the name which I can change over here. So this is the title which I can change manually. Then here we have to enter the sentence, and when I submit it, it will give the output of the correct sentence. Let's do one thing. I have yeah. So this is a example sentence like I will be using over here. So as you can see, it's grammatically wrong. I likes to play football every day. It's wrong. I goes to park is also wrong. I plays with day friends is again wrong. We makes a lot of fun. Football is very much interesting game. As you can see, there are lots of grammatical errors in these sentences. But when I generate a proper output, you can say I likes change to I like to play football every day. I go. I plays with their friends is I play with friends in the park. We have lot of fun. It's like so we makes a lot of fun. It's changed to we have lot of fun. Football is very much fun game. So very much football is very much fun game. It's the same. It makes me very much happy. It makes me very much happy. So it finds the error, it converts it in a grammatically correct way. If it doesn't find the error, it passes the sentence as it is. We can write any sentence over here. We can like add our own paragraphs, and you can also check it. So this is like via API. I have created the API as I told you and build with Gradio. So this is my working for the assignment or the project which I was given, that was grammar checker for natural processing language text. Hope you liked it, and thank you. If you have any questions, you can like comment down in the comment section and I will get back to you. Thank you.